Upgrading your bathroom is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, functionality, and even the value of your home. For Foley homeowners, installing a walk-in shower or new tub can transform a bathroom into a modern, spa-like retreat while also enhancing safety and convenience. If you're planning this type of project, knowing what to expect from your walk-in shower and tub installation service can help you feel confident and prepared. Initial consultation and planning the process begins with an in-home consultation. A bathroom remodeling specialist will meet with you to discuss your needs, preferences, and budget. During this visit, they'll take measurements of your existing bathroom layout, evaluate plumbing, electrical, and structural considerations, help you choose from different styles, finishes, and features. For example, you may want a sleek, frameless walk-in shower with glass doors, or perhaps a deep soaking tub with therapeutic jets. Your Foley installer will guide you through the options to ensure your new shower or tub matches your vision while fitting the space perfectly. Custom design options. One of the biggest advantages of professional installation is the ability to customize. Modern walk-in showers and tubs come with a wide range of features, including slip-resistant floors for added safety, built-in seating for comfort and accessibility, grab bars and handheld shower heads for ease of use, decorative tile and wall panels to enhance style, hydrotherapy and whirlpool jets for tubs that double as a relaxation escape. With so many choices, your installer will help you design a bathroom upgrade that's both practical and beautiful. Professional preparation before installation. Before work begins, your installation team will prepare the space. This may involve removing your old tub, shower, or outdated fixtures, inspecting plumbing and making adjustments if needed, ensuring the area is watertight to prevent leaks and moisture issues. In Foley's humid climate, proper waterproofing is critical. Professional installers use high-quality sealants and barriers to protect your bathroom from mold or water damage long after the project is complete. Efficient and clean installation. When installation day arrives, you can expect a team of trained professionals to work efficiently while respecting your home. Drop cloths and protective coverings are often used to minimize dust and debris, and your old fixtures will be carefully removed and disposed of. Depending on the scope of the project, most walk-in shower or tub installations can be completed within a few days. More complex remodels with custom tile work or added features may take longer, but your contractor will provide a clear timeline before work begins. Safety and accessibility benefits. Walk-in showers and tubs aren't just about aesthetics, they also improve safety and convenience, particularly for seniors or those with mobility concerns. Low threshold entries, grab bars, and slip-resistant surfaces reduce the risk of falls, while built-in seating and easy-to-reach controls make bathing more comfortable. For Foley homeowners who want both style and functionality, professional installation ensures these safety features are integrated seamlessly into the design. Final inspection and walkthrough. Once installation is complete, your team will conduct a thorough inspection to ensure everything is functioning properly. They'll check water flow, drainage, and sealing, and make any final adjustments. You'll also be given a walkthrough of your new shower or tub, including care and maintenance tips to keep it looking and working its best for years to come. Conclusion: a stress-free upgrade for Foley homes. Investing in a new walk-in shower or tub is one of the best ways to upgrade your bathroom. With professional service, you can expect a smooth process from consultation to final walkthrough, resulting in a bathroom that's safer, more stylish, and more comfortable. For Foley homeowners, this upgrade is more than just a remodel, it's a long-term investment in daily comfort, convenience, and home value. By choosing an experienced installation team, you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing your bathroom transformation is in expert hands.